All right, today is February the 9th, 2014. It's Sunday, and we're about to unload a Bobcat 331 excavator off of this dump truck over here. Of course, it would be so much easier if you had ramps, which we do, but you don't always want to take them with you everywhere you go. So I've been trying to perfect getting this excavator off the truck without ramps. Okay, this is very dangerous. So unless you have a lot of experience and you've tried this a lot of times and taken a lot of baby steps, I don't recommend that you try this because it is very dangerous. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get with it. I've got my assistant here. This is Horace. So anyway, he'll tell you about what we're fixing to do, and I'm gonna go ahead and get up here and get this thing started. He'll come back to Horace in just a minute, and Horace will tell you a few things. Okay? So let's go this way now.
But
look at him over
there. Yeah, it's very dangerous. I wouldn't try it if you ain't had no lot of years experience. It take a lot of them. There's more to it than experience. You got the feeling of. I mean, it's a lot to that. You get killed. That's like this right there. That's pop of your finger, you get killed. Pop of your finger, you get killed. Yeah. Pop of your finger, you get killed. Yeah. It's dangerous. Dangerous. It's dangerous. Dangerous. That's very dangerous right there. You don't know exactly what you need. Letting on down there. He's on his blade, ain't he?
Yeah, he's on the blade.
Danger zone. Danger zone right there. That's your danger zone right there. You'll kill yourself right there. That's your danger zone right there. Danger right there. Danger right there. That's you get on right. Flip over right there. You tiptoe right there. Flip right over. That's danger right there. Much experience I got, I wouldn't try this. Yeah, I got it, but he ain't off of there yet. It's dangerous. Let's take this on. Great job of doing this. Great job of doing what you're doing. I wouldn't try it though. Dangerous. I wouldn't try that. The danger zone, man. You got out of danger zone, man. You was in the red line right there.
All right.